still got a lot of stuff in the car, but I figure I might as well just start doing this stuff. So I got so much stuff. I thought it was bad when I had to do 6 videos that one week. I probably have like 9, 10, 11, 12 videos worth, but I already did a couple videos, so. All right, I'm going to just bang this crap out as quick as I can. I found another one of these things, so I grabbed it. Since I was grabbing those, I grabbed these. One's the orange or reddish one. Got myself a ray. I'm kicking myself in the butt for not grabbing the ray with the double. I think I only got one extra one of her doing that. Dragonoid. So that was, I'm pretty sure this was up in Newburgh, New York, up in Target, but I don't know. I could be wrong. Where is this from? See, I was wrong. It's actually, oh, that was the first time I ever looked in Wilkes-Barre Township, up in the Wilkes-Barre Township Commons. So, I got some good ones. This one was sitting in my car for like at least a week or 2 weeks. Remember I was showing you these big ones from my buddy Mark? Well, this is the one that I got when there was 5 of them. And I went back to either the next day or 2 days later, and there was only 2 of them. And he wanted me to grab him one. So I told him I bought one, and I think, when we were kids, we loved Masters of the Universe. And Skeletor was so funny. We loved it. I just saw He-Man with, what was that big, like, green cat that he was on? Like Saber Cat or something it was called. I just saw one today when I was out grabbing stuff. Uh-oh. I didn't realize I grabbed another one of these. I have another one in the car that I just got today because I was like, oh, I'll take it to school and maybe the kids will teach me how to play Pokemon. I used to play Magic the Gathering, but not Pokemon. I don't know how to play it. Dixon City. Wait. Is this from today? Good. This is from, all right. This is the one I was talking about. I didn't think I brought it in the house. Okay, good. So that's the one I'm going to take to school and have the kids teach me how to play. This I found when I was cleaning. This is from months ago. February, March, April. I bet it's in like April or something. Nah, this is the wrong one. But anyways, there's 2 of those. I'm going to put that in a bag. Oh, crap. Totally forgot about these. Chips. Tunkhannock. I bought a couple of chips up in Tunkhannock. I went up there real early yesterday. Got up at like, wow, I was up. I have this spider bite on my ear. It's ridiculous. Oh. Look at this crap. I keep picking at it. Whoops. Big. So anyways, I went up to Tunkhannock. Ow. And I woke up at like 11, and at 1, and then at 3. I'd be up for like an hour, fall asleep for an hour, wake up for an hour, fall asleep for an hour. So finally it was like, I think I woke up at 4:51, and I said, screw this. Marvin the Martian. I got these. I could have bought like 4 more at Dixon City today, 2 more at like Taylor. I don't know if he wants these still or not. So let's see here. They're less than $10 at least. It's weird how like Target, Barnes and Nobles, and Walmart all have different prices for certain things. Like I won't buy certain things at certain places because I know I could get it cheaper at, say, Barnes and Noble. Barnes and Noble's more expensive with their Funkos. I don't know why they charge. Some of them they charge like $11.99 for them. I don't know what their problem is with that stuff, but what could you do? All right, I'm not going to get into this. think this was up at, it's either Dixon City or Taylor. I'm not sure which one. But they were getting rid of Frisbees. I think it was 50 cents. They were like half off or something. And there was Spider-Man. And these are Frisbees now. There's Spider-Man. And there was, the Spider-Man was the DC. Oh, here we go. Thor, no. Spider-Man was Marvel. Thor was the DC. Oh, and I got lanyards for $1. Spider-Man lanyards. They're pretty cool. There was a bunch of them, but I only grabbed 2. 25 cents for a pack of napkins. So, crazy. They just give stuff away. It's just ridiculous. Here's the Thor one. The hammer. Spider-Man. What is this? Oh, Star Wars. It's the Mandalorian. It's the the little baby Yoda. I forgot about Star Wars. I knew there was 4 different kinds. There's something in my throat really bad. Crap, I forgot to put this in there. There's one more. DC, Marvel, Star Wars, and Avengers. It's the same damn thing as Marvel. Captain America. Pretty cool. So, I mean, I wasn't a pig. I probably left like 30 of them up there. I could have grabbed them all. Maybe I should have. Maybe I got to start grabbing everything when that stuff's dirt cheap like this and be a pig like the rest of them. I still haven't even sold anything yet. I keep debating whether I should start being a reseller. Because after Tunkhannock acted like pigs with me a couple times. It's funny, I went from loving them to like, I'd go there 3-4 times a week. Now I'm lucky if I go to Tunkhannock once every 2 weeks. This thing in my throat is just killing me. Slowly it's stuck here and here and here. Now it's about here. Every time I drink, pushes it down a little bit. But I mean, how many times could you just keep drinking? Oh, this is the best. I should save this for last. I really should save this for last. See, I'm so honest. I'm so nice. I'm too nice. I went to Barnes & Noble's and I got these, and then went to the bathroom, and the guy, actually I thought he went on a break. He didn't go on a break. He was off. New guy took over. I went in the back, bathroom, then I went to go look at Funkos. I'd never seen one before, so I bought it. But I asked him if I could get a 20 to 25% discount because the box was busted up on the bottom. It's been real bad, but I mean, it's bad enough. So I said, the guys up in Newburgh, New York, they give me discounts and when anything is damaged. I'm gonna like cut this video and like restart if this doesn't stop. This is ridiculous. Oh, I know what it is. I went to a Chinese buffet when I got done today, and basically, I don't know if you can tell, the swelling's gone down. I got some shrimp fried rice stuck in my throat. What I was saying, what I was trying to say before the stupid throat keeps acting up. I'm too nice. I could have went there and came back and got 2 more packs. But I didn't. I didn't want to be a scum. Because there was a new guy. I could have easily got 2 more packs. Are you ready for it? I want to do dun 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 dun, but it's Funko. I almost I saw it and I was like shocked, and then I start looking at other ones and I was like, I saw Louise Jefferson, and I saw the Fonzie, Arthur Fonzie. It was terrible. Arthur Fonzarelli, and I was like, I'm really sorry for how effing shitty this video is because of this. Oh, this is terrible. I'm just gonna show you. And I'm like, what are you doing? What are you doing? And I grabbed. There was a couple people came up from behind me, and I think they were trying to get at it, and I grabbed it. Tell me that's not awesome. It'd be nice if I could actually get this to do what I want it to do. You believe that? And I looked at the box. It's pristine. It's like one of the nicest boxes I've ever seen on one of these Funko Pops. I'm trying to be very careful with this. I'm going to cough and rip it or tear it, or it's going to fly out of my hand or something. But this is one of the nicest boxes I mean, if I was going to grade them, like, it's ridiculous that they're grading stuff like that, but I'd give this like a 10 plus. It's just, or a 10 plus mint, or a 10 mint, or a 10 gem mint, or a gem mint 10, or whatever that goofy thing that they do. That's like the nicest box I've ever seen. All right, what's this? Oh, okay. Chronicles Blaster. Of course, must be Dick's. Chronicles Blaster. This thing is just killing me. I got this dirt cheap on a sale. My buddy Mark was with me. I don't remember where. I kept telling him to grab it. And he's like, nah. He said the movie's over for too long. I'm like, they're giving it away. I mean, I think it was for like $4 or $5. I got a Rocksteady for like, it says $9.99. Well, it's $8.31. This was more expensive than that. It's almost close to that. And first time ever. Dun 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 dun. Dino Piggy. I honestly, you never see those. They're so rare, it's ridiculous. I bet you the Dino Piggy, if someone's really a collector of that stuff, probably give you at least $40-50 for that. You just don't find them. The Clowny ones are rare, and my buddy Mark, he sells them out for $15 or $20 or something, and he gets it too. I found some, and I was like, hey, I got some. Really? Oh, I didn't know what it was. All right. But yeah, I said to him, I go, if you want, I'll grab it. And I grabbed them anyways. He was hemming and hawing. And I talked to him today. He's like, yeah, I'll buy one off you. I'll replace it. And I said, I could have bought 4 of them if you wanted me to. I could have let them sit around if you wanted. Okay. This must have been when I was in the prestige boxes. Yeah, I think that's what that was from. Before these go flying somewhere. The video's about to cut off. Try to get it done, but no, my throat has to act like a jerk and cough 6,000 times. Sorry for how crappy this video is. I really apologize, because this might have been the worst video except for the Pokemon.